Welcome all. In previous sessions, we discussed regarding the different types of estimations and also the different types of specification, different items of specifications, rate analysis, and long wall and short wall methods, as well as center line method of estimations already we studied. Now we will discuss in this particular chapter road estimations, how to do the road estimation. All this we will discuss it in this particular chapter. The content which is covered in this chapter, detailed road estimates for metal road, and then simple problems on that, and then multiple choice questions. Here pavement, the detailed and abstract estimate of bituminous road work. Here pavement portion of metal road mainly consists of the three parts, that is base course, base course, bearing course, and bearing course. These are the three main components or a structure of the pavement. Then in this particular chapter, it's the basic dimension, everything is to be giving in the question itself. By using that data, we will discuss the how to solve the problems and how to do the road estimations. Now simple problems here. Prepare a detailed and abstract estimate for the construction of new state highway for 1 kilometer length. The formation width of road is 10 meter and average height of bank as 1 meter with side slopes 2:1. The metal width of road is 3.7 meter and 3 coats of metalling are provided as per cross section shown in figure. The surface shall be finished with 2 coats of painting. Assume local prevailing rates suitably. See here in this cross section sketch, side slopes are given 2:1 side slopes, and its depth is 1 meter, and then soling coat 15 centimeter boulder, and intercoat 50 gauge stone ballas 12 centimeter loose layer compacted 8 to 8 centimeter. Next top 40 gauge stone ballas 12 centimeter loose here also, and its pavement width 3.7 meter and either side shoulder 3.15 meter each, and total formation width 10 meter. First coat of painting with rotar and second coat of painting with asphalting. These are the things which is given in the question. Okay, now this we will all quantities calculate it in measurement form. Here in this measurement form consists serial number, particulars of item, number, length in meter, breadth in meter, depth in meter, Q in meter cube, remark column. Now first item, earthwork in embankment. Earthwork in embankment. One number, and earthwork embankment is to be calculated similarly in road work. How we calculate it? By using simple formulas. Q is equal to BD plus SD square into L. By using that formula, we have to compute the earthwork embankment quantities. Now here B is equal to 10 meter. The total breadth is 10 meter and depth is given 1 meter. Now 2 into 1 square, that gives total 12,000 meter cube. Next, second item, plantation of grass on the side slopes. S is equal to 2 meter, D is equal to 1 meter. Numbers 1, L in meter, total 1 for a 1 meter, and then depth is 4.47 meter. Depth, how to calculate depth? Side slopes are given 2:1. Here S is 2 meter and D is equal to 1 meter. Substitute in this formula 2D into square root of S square plus 1. Now we will get D is equal to 4.47 meter. Now multiplying the length, depth and number, then gives the 4,470 rupees. Sorry, 470 meter square. Next, preparation of subgrade, dressing to chamber. Length is 1 kilometer here also, and then breadth is 4 meter. Then quantity is 4,000 meter square. It is in meter square. Next, soling coat, stone ballast. Soling coat, stone ballast. Number one, length in meter, length as usual 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter, breadth 4 meter, and depth 0.15 meter, that is given in the question. Now multiplying all this, we'll get the quantity 600 meter cube. Next, laying and consolidation of the boulders. One number, length is 1000 meter, and breadth in 4 meter, breadth is 4 meter, and depth is 0.15 meter. Now multiplying all this, we will get answer 600 meter cube. Next, intercoat. Intercoat, there are once again two items. One is intercoat stone ballast 40 mm gauge, laying and consolidation of ballast. Sorry, stone ballast 40 mm gauge. One number, length is 1 kilometer, that means 1000 meter. Breadth is given 3.7 meter, only pavement breadth 3.7 meter. D in meter, that is 0.1 to 12 centimeter in depth. Next, total quantity is 444 meter cube. Next, same item what we calculated, the laying of this item. For that also we have to once again calculate it. That is one number, 1000 meter, 3.7 is the breadth, 0.12 is the depth, and 444. Now multiplying all this, that much of meter cube. Next, sixth item, top coat. Top coat stone ballast 40 mm gauge, here also one number, length how much, 1000 meter, breadth 3.7 meter, depth 0.12 meter, Q in meter cube, that is 444 meter cube. Next, laying and consolidation of stone ballast. Laying and consolidation of stone ballast. One number, length in meter 1000, 3.7 meter is breadth of pavement, and thickness 0.12. And now answer will be multiplying all the columns, 444 meter cube. Next, item number 7, say painting top surface. Here once again first coat and second coat. Two coats are there. Now we will discuss first coat. First coat with rotor number 3, stone grit 20 mm gauge at the rate of 1.35 meter cube percentage meter square. Number 1 is number 1, and length is 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. Breadth of pavement 3.7. 1.35 divided by 100, because 1.35 meter cube per 100 meter square, per 100 meter square, that means 1.35 divided by 100. Now multiplying all this, we will get answer q is equal to 50 meter cube. Next, first coat with rotor number 3, binding at the rate of 220 kg per meter square, 220 divided by 100. One number, length 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, breadth 3.7 meter, and depth 220 divided by 100, 8140 kg. Now laying and consolidation of the first coat. Here one number, 1000 meter, 3.7 is the breadth, that is 3700 meter square. Next, painting top surface. Painting top surface, second coat with asphalt stone grit 12 mm gauge at the rate of 0.75 meter cube percentage meter square. One number, length 1000 meter, breadth in meter, that is 3.7. D is 0.75 divided by 100. Then multiplying all this, we will get answer q is equal to 27.75 meter cube. Next, paint or binder at the rate of 120 kg per 100 meter square. One number, 1000 is the length, 3.7 meter is the breadth. Now 120 divided by 100, 120 divided by 100, that is equal to, then multiplying all the four columns, 440 kg or 4.44 ton. Next, laying and consolidation. Laying, one number, 1000 meter, 3.7. That means multiplying three columns, we will get answer 3700 meter square. Next, brick edging on both sides, including bricks and labor, 1 kilometer. It is also expressed in terms of running meter, therefore 1 kilometer itself. Quantity we are keeping as it is. Next, very minor parts we are not considered in this estimation. In this estimation, only considered 8 items. 8 items we concentrated. Next, we will discuss abstract of estimated cost. Abstract of estimated cost. First item, earthwork in embankment we have calculated, that is quantity is 1200 meter cube, unit is meter cube, rate 60 rupees per meter cube. Now multiplying this 12,000 into 60, 7 lakh 20,000 rupees. Next, plantation of grass on the side slopes. S is equal to 2 meter, D is equal to 1 meter. Quantity is calculated as usual, 404,470 rupees. 470 meter cube, meter square. 20 rupees per meter square is a unit. Now multiplying this, we'll get answer 89,400 rupees. Next, preparation of subgrade dressing to chamber. Quantity already calculated, that is 4,000 meter square. Rate 2 rupees per meter square, then 8,000 rupees. Next, soling coat. Soling coat 600 meter cube and rate 300 rupees per meter cube. Now 1,80,000 rupees. Laying and consolidation of the boulders 600 meter cube, unit meter cube here, and rate 30 rupees per meter cube, amount 18,000. Amount 18,000. Next, intercoat. Intercoat, here stone ballast 40 mm gauge, 444 meter cube, rate 560 rupees per meter cube, 2,48,640 rupees. Laying and consolidation of the ballast. Once again, it is already we calculated 444 meter cube. 30 rupees per meter cube is the rate. Now total cost for this item 13,320 rupees. Next, top coat. Top coat. Stone ballast 40 mm gauge, 444 meter cube, 600 rupees per meter cube. Now cost of this item is 2,66,400 rupees. Next, laying and consolidation of the stone ballast, 444 meter cube, 30 rupees per meter cube is the rate. Then for this particular total entire item, 13,320 rupees. Next, painting top surface. First coat with rotor number 3, stone grid 20 mm gauge at the rate of 1.35 meter cube percentage square meter, 50 meters cube, 850 rupees per meter cube. We will calculate it and got answer 50. Rate 850 rupees per meter cube. Now 42,500 rupees. First coat with rotor number 3, binding at the rate of 220 kg, 8.14 ton. For 1 ton 600 rupees. Now 8.14 into 600, that is 4,884 rupees. Laying of this 3,700 meter square, for per meter square 0.9 rupees is the rate. Now multiplying this 3,330 rupees. Painting top surface second coat with asphalt stone grid 12 mm gauge at the rate of 0.75 meter cube. 27.75 already we calculated in the measurement book. Rate 700 rupees per meter cube. Now total cost 19,425 rupees. Paint or binder at the rate of 120 kg, 4.4 ton. For each ton 600 rupees. Now 2,640 rupees. Laying and consolidation 3,700 meter square total, and for each meter square 10 rupees. Now 37,000 rupees. Next, last item, brick edging on both sides including bricks and labor, 1000 meter. For running meter we are calculating, for each meter 3.5 rupees, then 3,500 rupees. In this way we will compute the total cost of the each item of the work. Now in this particular problem I am not computed for entire cumulative amount. Why means some minor items I am not counted, only I concentrated on these 8 items only. For that reason I am not computed the total cost here. Okay, now we will discuss multiple choice questions which is related to this metalling road. One by one we will discuss. First question, metalling of road usually consists of dash layers of boards. Option number A, option number B, option number C, D. Which is the correct answer? A is 5, B 3, C 2, D 6. Answer is B, 3 layers of boards. Next, second question. Calculate the quantity of metal required for a 3.7 meter wide macadam road for 1 kilometer length for one layer of 8 centimeter. One layer of 8 centimeter. Option number A, option number B, option number B, and option number C 454, option number D 765, which is the correct answer. In this particular problem, answer nearer to that, the correct answer is 444 rupees. Next question. Calculate the quantity of cement concrete for cement concreting 1 kilometer length, 3.7 meter wide road for an 8 centimeter thick layer. Also calculate cost at the rate of rupees 375 per meter cube. Which is the correct answer? Option number A, option number B, option number C, option number D. Option number C is the correct answer. 1,11,000 rupees. It will be getting by multiplying 3.7 meter into 8 centimeter into 375 into 1 kilometer length. Now calculate the number of standard modular bricks required for flat brick soling for 1 kilometer length of 4 meter wide road. Option number A, option number B, option number C, option number D. In general, for a 1 meter square area, the 50 bricks are to be modular brick size is 50. Nominal brick size is 50, and even more, we will take it as modular brick size is 55. Now 55 into 4 into 1000 meter, we will get answer, which is the correct answer. 2.2 is the correct answer. Next, question number 5. Find the area of permanent land required for a state highway for 1 kilometer length, with the width of permanent land being 30 meter. Option number A, option number B, option number C, option number D, which is the correct answer. By multiplying 1000 into this 30 meter, we will get 30,000. Then it becomes 3 hectare. Next, question number 6. Road on the side of a cliff or mountain with the ground rising on one side and falling away on the other is called as a hill, cornice, cliff, cone, which is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer. Next, question number 7. A road junction where typically 3 or more roads are joined by a circular section of road is called dash. Intersection, merging, circulation, roundabout. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, question number 8. Find the area of temporary land required for 1 kilometer length of a road from the following data: 32.5, 76.89, 39.5, 45.5. You work out on this by using formula BD plus SD square into L, by using that. Then finally, the answer will be getting 32.50. 32.50. Option number A is the correct answer. How to solve? You work out it. Okay, thank you.